Litany. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. Familiar yan sa'yo dahil narinig mo na yan sa kanta ni Taylor Swift na My Boy Only Breaks His Favorite Toys. Ganito siyang ginamit.
There was a litany of reasons why we could have played for keeps this time.
So ano ba yung litany? Litany is a noun and it talks about a series of prayers, madalas repetitive, na paulit-ulit na sinasabi sa simbahan. At kung ginagamit sa bahay ninyo yung, naglilitanya na naman siya, then it refers to the same thing. Yung paglilitanya or yung litany na yan ay yung ganon, paulit-ulit, repetitive na sinasabi. Or sa case nung kanta, yung litany of reasons would be things said ng paulit-ulit, the same reasons over and over again. Ang structure niya madalas ginagamit, similar to the song, a litany of. So, a litany of reasons, a litany of excuses, a litany of lies, a litany of complaints na mahaba at paulit-ulit, medyo masama na pakinggan, alam niyo yun? That could be a litany. So, kung gusto natin gamitin na sentence, you could say something like, I'm tired of listening to her litany of complaints, knowing that she'll do nothing to fix the problem. Actually, maraming mga vocabulary words na nasa mga kanta ni Mama Taylor. So if you want me to start a mini-series about those words, let me know in the comments below and don't forget to follow me for more.